Hi breakaway friends, today we're going to show you how to make an origami dog. So this is one
that we made earlier.
This is one that we made earlier, and Holly's going to teach me how to make an origami dog. Okay.
So first of all, you need a square piece of paper. So you get your piece of paper and you fold a triangle in so it's equal, and then you cut it. And we've already done this, so we have a sheet already.
If you need to ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors, that's fine. So we've got our square bit of paper. What next?
So first you turn it into a diamond shape.
Right.
And then you fold it this way.
Fold it over.
Then, so you have the triangles at the end, and then you fold them down.
What are we making
for
here
little ears.
to make the ears? Okay. Does it matter if my ears are a bit wonky?
No, not really. You just need to leave enough space to fold the bottom of the triangle in.
One of my ears is longer than the other one.
So then,
Okay, there's my ears.
then you fold the inside of the triangle.
Okay. Up.
And make sure that it's equal, and then you put the other one down.
Right.
And then you get out your black pencil.
And we're going to decorate the dog.
Decorate the
So
dog.
it looks like this one. Okay, so two eyes.
It doesn't have to look exactly like that. You can do whatever design you want.
Okay. I'm having wavy ears. I might do more spots actually and pretend it's like a Dalmatian. Does it matter if you haven't got white paper? Can you use coloured paper as well?
You can use coloured paper, but just remember to use a dark pencil.
So that your decoration shows up. So you could have a purple dog,
A green dog.
Yellow dog.
I tried to do it as a pink dog, but the paper was too thin, so we decided to do it with the normal paper.
I'm giving my dog eyebrows as well.
I'm giving mine a tuft of hair.
Oh, that's a good idea. What do you think? If you want to have a look online, if you type in easy origami, EASY, and then origami, how do we spell origami? Origami, yeah. And then there's lots of different ideas there. We've made dogs, we've made
hearts
and bunnies.
And we're going to be doing that in another video.
Okay. See you later, guys. Bye.